What's up guys, Jesse Norris here, caged muscle athlete and professional powerlifter. Today I want to talk to you about why it's important to have a high quality protein like casein. Casein is a great product to use when you're trying to maximize gains in size and strength and promote better recovery. Protein is one of the most crucial supplements to have in your regimen. 2 protein supplements that should top your list every time: a high quality whey protein isolate and micellar casein isolate. Casein offers 25 grams of sustained release protein for you, so if you go a long time between meals, it's a great product to take between them. It's great to cook with, and as a powerlifter looking for strength gains and recovery, it's really important to take before bedtime just because that allows my body better recovery by the next day. And training every day, that's hugely important to me. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments below.